Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a Geera neck. I got some tips from my mother-in-law because she makes the best Geera in the world. So come, let me show you guys how easy this is to put together. So guys, to start this recipe we're going to start with our washed chicken necks, and to this I'm going to start seasoning with salt and some black pepper. And I'm also going in with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. In goes some minced garlic and some chopped chives and parsley or celery. And I had that in the freezer that I chopped up. I did that in a video and I showed you guys. Now I'm going to go in with my green seasoning. In goes some chopped onion and some chopped pimento peppers, and if you wanted to add a hot pepper or a habanero pepper to this, you can. Now I'm going to give this a mix. So you're going to just mix everything until it's well combined, and then you can set this aside and allow it to marinate for a couple of hours, or you can let it marinate minimum 15 minutes if you're in a hurry to use it. And you'll notice I'm not adding any Geera powder to this mixture. I'll show you guys. It tastes really amazing if you follow my steps. To a pot on medium heat, I'm going to go in with some chili infused coconut oil from CJ Limited. This is available in Trinidad and also on Amazon. This is going to add another layer of spiciness to this dish. To the oil, I'm going to go in with my Geera seeds and some fenugreek or methi seeds as we call it in Trinidad, and you can find fenugreek online on Amazon or any American supermarkets. They carry it now. So we're going to allow those seeds to toast and get a really dark color. Don't burn them, but you want them to get dark. Okay, when your seeds start to get dark, you're going to be very careful and throw in your aromatics. I have in there, I have some curry leaves, I have hot pepper, and I have onions that we're going to saute until it has a really nice dark brown color. Okay, now that the onions and peppers are nice and brown, we're going to add in our chicken. Okay guys, we're going to allow this to fry up in here, or as we call it, bunjay. And what it's going to do is it's going to release that neck. The chicken is going to release its own natural juices, and it's going to cook down in those natural juices before we add any additional liquid to help it cook. Okay, so I'm going to go in and give this a mix as it's cooking down. And I'm going to allow it to continue to dry down. There's still a lot of liquid in there, so we need that to dry out. Okay guys, this is starting to stick at the bottom of the pot, and now we need to go in with our liquids to help it cook. So I'm going in with enough water to cover it. Okay, so now that we've added in the liquid in here, we're going to allow this to take its time and cook on a medium-low heat until the neck is nice and tender. The sauce is going to reduce, and then we'll finish this with our Geera powder. Okay guys, once you see the liquid starts to reduce, and it's reduced by about half, we're going to go in now with our Geera powder. And this is exactly how my mother-in-law makes her Geera, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I prefer it this way than cooking it from the beginning. The Geera is still going to cook because we still have to cook down that sauce in there. So you don't have to worry that the Geera is going to be raw. So this still has like about 8 to 10 more minutes, and after which we will taste and adjust our salt. So I'm going to let it cook down in that delicious Geera sauce now until it's done. So guys, this is so that's it. All you have to do now is taste, adjust your salt, and then this will be ready to be served. So I'm gonna dish this out and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for Geera neck. You guys can use this recipe and make pork. You can make Geera heart, Geera gizzard, Geera liver, whatever you want to Geera soya. Geera tofu. It's a very versatile recipe that can work with a lot of other ingredients, even Geera bodi. So feel free to play around with the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and also for requesting this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.
Bye.